We have produced our shapes, so let's look at adding color. Let's look first of all at how to add a fill color. I'm going to click inside the rectangle and go to Shape Fill. It automatically selects the shape format area, and I'm going to choose green for the fill. As you can see, it's quite a struggle to see the outline of the shape, so I'm going to click on Shape Outline. I'm going to add a different color. Let's try dark blue. You can still barely see it, so I think a solution to this might be to make the outline thicker. If I click on it again, and go back to Shape Outline, and now I go to Weight, I'm going to increase its thickness and make it 3 points. You can now see it a little more clearly, but it's still difficult to see because of the color combination. So I'm going to make one more adjustment. I'm going to change the outline to a shade of orange, and there you go. You can see quite clearly a green rectangle with an orange outline. Let's now look at just adding an outline with no fill. The first thing I want to do is add a thicker sized outline. I select 3 points, and it automatically selects the orange color I chose previously for the outline. My next action is to remove the fill color. I go to the fill option and select no fill. We now have our shape with an outline and no fill color. Finally, I want to produce a square with no outline at all and just a fill color. First of all, I'll show the outline, which you can see quite clearly. I don't want the outline. So I'll click back on my square and I'll go back up to Shape Outline and I select No Outline. And you can see now there's no outline on our square. So we've got 3 examples of our shape: a rectangle, filled with green with an orange outline, a square with no fill color, and a clear dark blue outline, and another square with no outline, but it has a light blue fill. One final amendment: let's change the color of our blue square with no outline to gray, and you can see the gray quite clearly, with no outline.
Brought to you by Evolution.